In this video, I'll be answering what is MEV protection on Axiom Pro. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. MEV bots can snipe your Memecoin profits, but Axiom Pro stops them cold. So if you don't already have an Axiom Pro account, I'll drop a link down below in the description and the pinned comment, and by using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on your trading fees for life. Once you go to that link, you're going to come to a page that looks like this, and you're going to come right over here and click on Start Trading, and you're going to sign up with either your email, Gmail account, or by connecting your Phantom wallet. Make sure Keys shows up right over here under invite code. That'll guarantee that you get that discount on your trading fees. MEV, or maximal extractable value, is when bots or validators mess with your trades to make extra profit. They do this by front-running or sandwiching your orders in the blockchain's waiting area. For example, imagine buying this meme coin at an $80,000 market cap, but a bot sees your trade, buys first, and jacks the price up to $85,000 market cap. That means you just lost out on a $5,000 price difference. That's how MEVs work. So why it happens is because meme coins on Solana are very volatile, and bots exploit this to sneak in ahead of your trades, especially in low liquidity markets. So Axiom's solution to this problem is, if we go back to our trading settings, you can actually set up your MEV mode to off, reduced, or secure. So by having MEV protection off, it sends trades as fast as possible, but then you risk getting MEV'd. You can also have it on reduced, which will avoid sending transactions to blacklisted validators to reduce the chances of MEV attacks. Or you can have it on secure, and secure only sends transactions to whitelisted validators, but this could also slow down your trades, but you don't risk getting MEV'd. If you're trading with a high portfolio and bigger trades of one Solana or more, make sure you have MEV mode on so you don't get MEV'd and you keep as much of your profit as possible. So while MEV bots can be a pain, Axiom Pro's protection keeps your meme coin trades secure and cost effective. So if you're not already using Axiom Pro, use the link down below in the description, get that 10% discount on your trading fees. And if you found this helpful, make sure to give the video a like and subscribe to the channel.